Hello class, today I'm going to show you how to access Google Sites. First of all, when you get to google.com, you're going to see the waffle here. You'll press on the waffle, and if you do not see Google Sites over here, you will go to more. And if you still don't see it, you'll go to even more from Google. So you can go and find everything that Google has to offer until you find Google Sites. Once you find Google Sites, you will go to this plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner. Google Sites provides different themes. So if you go to the top right-hand corner, it'll say themes. Gives you the simple theme, and you can change the colors, and you can also change the font styles. Or if you think, well, this is just not for me, you can go to Aristotle. Also, you can change the colors and font styles. They have Diplomat, they have Vision, they have Level, and they have Impression. So, let's say you choose Vision, and you are going to create your very first opening page, your welcome page to your digital portfolio. You will be starting here. So here is your opening page. You can title it My Welcome Page. And then you can add your name. Okay, so you can change and create your page as you would like. You can also change the image. You can change the header type. Let's say you only want the title. Let's say you want this to cover your entire page. You can do so. Let's say you want the banner to be a little larger, smaller. It's up to you. You can also insert more images. Let's say, I really like owls. So I'm going to search up cute owls until I find a cute owl that I like, because owls really represent who I am. So I'm going to include a cute owl. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to add it. Let's just say I'm going to add that to my page, for example. Let's say I'm going to upload a picture of my favorite quote. So I can come to my pictures, or let's say I'm going to add a picture of my favorite cat. I can do so and tell you a little something about who I am and my animals. I can add a text box and include that text box. Or I can duplicate a section, I can remove a section, I can add text, I can change the color. So a lot of this is playing around with it. Once you see this, It allows you to add text by it. And so on. You can change the text of it. You can embed sites, embed codes, and so on. And so this will be our first opening page. Now what you're going to have to do is you are going to have to look at the rubric to find out what will be required as part of your welcoming page. In the days to come, we are going to continue to add pages to our digital portfolio. So this is our home page, but we will be adding more pages as we go on. We'll add a page per class. For example, my English Language Arts reading class. So then that'll be done. And then we're going to add another page for my math class. So now I've got a page for my math class and so on. And you can see that when I press the home button, here's my ELAR page. And now I'm going to continue to add to my digital portfolio. As we go along, as we go on through the month, we're going to continue adding to our digital portfolio. Remember and keep in mind that our digital portfolio starts in 6th grade with us, but it's going to continue and stay with us throughout the 12th grade. And it can continue and go with you beyond the 12th grade to the next level, college level. Thank you for watching and happy creating.